Morning viewers, welcome to my channel. It's snowing here a bit today in Scotland, but it's not as bad as what it is in England apparently. But it's snowing, it's a bit damp and wet. It's that kind of wet snow that gets everybody wet and it doesn't really stay anywhere. But no doubt there'll be chaos. Now, I am going to be instigating a channel which is going to be focused on Jaguar restoration. Unfortunately, my Jaguar isn't here, it's in England. I am in Scotland, and I'm not going to get down to see it this time because I actually work in Spain. But what I have got is my restoration van around the corner, and it's got a problem. But the problem's actually in my bedroom at the moment, and it's to do with the battery. The battery is shot, and I'm just going to show you what that means. Now, as you can see, my battery's on charge. I've got a smart charger on the right hand side for what it's worth. It's a Halfords model, which they no longer make, which is quite handy. On the left hand side, my battery, which is quite a powerful battery, it's 730 cold cranking amps supposedly, and it's a unipart battery. It is from I believe a scrapyard, because it has that number written on the side of it. So it's been tested and then put on a shelf somewhere, I believe. And when I bought the battery, this was the battery that was in the van to start it up. There is another battery in the back, or under the passenger seat, which is used for powering up all the utilities in the back. I have spotlights and interior LED lights and things like that, because it's actually an old mechanic's van. Now, what I have here, I'll just get my torch. I have 6 cells. Ideally not that one though. I have 6 cells, 5 of which are actually bubbling away. You can see that. The last one isn't bubbling away, and that to me means that cell is, well, it's dead. So really I need a new battery. I've got it on charge because I need to move this van today, and if I can get it up to a decent amount. See, it's showing 14.3 volts, but you can't use a voltage as a standard or as a gauge of battery health. If I can get it up to a decent voltage, I can get the van started and at least move it, which I haven't done since I came back from Spain this last time. So one thing I did get, I ordered a couple of months ago this solar battery tester, which I saw on a channel on YouTube. It was about 50 quid, I think $65 or something, plus import taxes. So I probably paid about, I don't know, about £65 for it. Basically connect it up, and I'll just go through a quick test on it. I'll just let you see how it works. Okay, I've unplugged the battery. I'm just going to disconnect the terminals from the charger, and I'll now connect these terminals from the tester, and this will actually start up as soon as I push as soon as I connect the negative terminal up. So there you go, on it comes. Right, now you can see there that the battery is actually showing 13.42 volts, where on the charger it was 14.1 volts, and it's going down already. You can see it's actually losing charge already. Okay, so it's not holding a charge. It will charge up, but it's only the 5 cells on the left that are charging. The end cell on the right, as we looked at it, isn't charging. Now I'm just going to go through a cycle here. That's asking me what kind of battery it is. It's a lead, basically a standard lead battery, I believe that means. Cold cranking amps, I've already programmed it for 730. We'll do a test now, see what it says here. Testing. 146 cold cranking amps. And I think you can safely say that this battery is toast. Now I've had it on charge all night at 2 amps. This morning I cranked it up to 4 amps, and it went from being in a low state to 80%, but it'll never be 100%. So that said, this battery is dead, but I should be able to use it to at least get the van moved this morning if I want to. I've got a battery pack outside which will start it. I have got a battery on order. It's meant to be arriving today. I did order it 2 weeks ago, but Muggins here got it sent to the wrong address. Same postcode, almost the same address. Unfortunately, it was like 60 metres apart, and basically my daughter's new house, and they took it to the wrong place and got sent back. So after a bit of backwards and forwards, it's getting delivered today, hopefully, even with the weather as it is. Right, speak to you later, take care, bye.